Hola! Welcome to Mathematics, Concepts and Skills Book 1, Lesson 9, Comparing Numbers. Objectives. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare numbers with speed and accuracy. Then you can answer worksheet activities independently. Materials. So these are the materials you need for this lesson. First, you need your Mathematics 1 Concepts and Skills book, set 1. Of course, you need your pencil. And you need either a tablet or a cell phone. Worksheet. So take note of these pages because you are going to answer these pages after this lesson. Now, are you ready for your lesson? Okay. Now, compare numbers. Before we proceed in comparing numbers, let us first know the terms or the words na ginagamit in comparing numbers. Okay, first we have here more. When we see more, daghan. Or kaha, greater than. When we see greater than, dako pa. Okay? Now, this is the symbol for more or greater than. This one. So kung imo makita, ang iyang tumitumoy sa murag arrow is going to the right. So this is the first term we will use or you are going to use in comparing the numbers. More or greater than and its symbol. Now the second term or the second word we are going to use in comparing the numbers is this one. Less. When we see less, gamay. Or to compare, less than. So gamay pa. And this is the symbol for less or less than. This one. So kung imong makita, ang dumitumoy pod sa arrow, aning symbol sa less or less than is padulong dito sa right. Okay? So this is the second term we are going to use in comparing the number less or less than and its symbol. And the last one or the last term we are going to use in comparing the numbers is equal to. When we see equal to, parihas. Equal sila. Kung unsa ang naa sa right, maupod ang naa sa left. So, equal siya. And this is the symbol for equal. Got it? So, remember all the terms we are going to use in comparing the numbers and its symbol. Okay? And now, let us compare objects using the symbol of greater than, equal to, and lesser than. So this is the picture. So we have here a picture of a teddy bear. So on the left side, we have here 4 teddy bears. And on the right side, we have here 3 teddy bears. Now let us compare these 4 teddy bears to 3 teddy bears. Now in comparing, we will atong unang tan-awon ang left side which is 4. So the numbers being compared here is 4 and 3. Now what is 4 to 3? So unsa daw ning 4 ka teddy bears compared to 3 teddy bears? Is it greater than, equal to, or lesser than? And the answer for this is greater than o mas dako pa. So if we are going to read this one is 4 teddy bears is greater than 3 teddy bears. Ato binasayon, ang upat daw ka teddy bear is mas dako or daghan pa kaysa tulo ka teddy bear. So that is the symbol for greater than. So kung inyong mabantayan, ang dako mo ginakaon sa symbol mo yung arrow, right? Kanayang panganga sa symbol of greater than. So gikaon niya ang dako. Okay? Now let's have another example. So we have here tomatoes. Oh, I love tomatoes. Okay, now on the left side we have here 3 tomatoes. And on the right side we have here 5 tomatoes. Now the two numbers being compared here is 3 tomatoes and 5 tomatoes. Now what is 3 tomatoes compared to 5 tomatoes? Okay. Now the answer for this is this one. So this is the symbol for lesser than. Okay, let's read this. 3 tomatoes is lesser than 5 tomatoes. Atong binasayon, ang tulo daw ka kamatis is gamay pa kaysa 5 nga kamatis. And this is the symbol for lesser than. So, ato na pong mabantayan diri nga ang gikaon sa panganga ni symbol nga lesser than is ang dako nga numero. Okay? And now let's have the last example using the symbol of greater than, lesser than, and equal to this one. So we have here a ball. So on the left side we have here 5 balls, and on the right side we have here 5 balls. Okay, now let us compare 5 to 5. And it is obviously right that both of them have the same number of balls, which is 5, and 5 is equal to 5. Okay, now let's read this. 5 balls is equal to 5 balls. Atong binasayon, ang 5 ka bula is parihara sa 5 ka bula. Okay? And that's makes sense. Okay? And now, let us use the term in comparing the numbers, the term greater than, lesser than, and equal to. So let's have the first example. 23 blank 19. So the two numbers being compared here is 23 and 19. So what is 23 compared to 19? So here are the choices: greater than, less than, or equal to. So 23 is greater than 19. So atong binisayon, ang 23 is dako pa kaysa 19. Okay? Now let's proceed to the second example. We have here 15 is blank 15. The two numbers being compared here is 15 and 15. Now what is 15 compared to 15? Here are the choices: greater than, less than, and equal to. And it's obviously that 15 is equal to 15. For the last example, we have here 30 is blank 45. So the two numbers being compared here is 30 and 45. Now what is 30 compared to 45? Here are the choices: greater than, less than, and equal to. And the answer for this is less than. So 30 is less than 45. Atong binisayon, ang 30 is gamay pa kaysa 45. Okay? That's how it done. And now it's your activity time. Now for your activity, you have to answer pages 13 to 16 of your worksheet in Skills Book 1, Set 1. Read and follow instructions, okay? Take a photo of each answered page. When done, save the photo and submit to Dojo. And don't forget to have fun. I know you can do it, so au revoir!